Recently, Pakistan has released its political map. Here, Pakistan, apart from claiming the regions of Jammu and Kashmir and Sir Creek, also claims the region of Junagadh in Gujarat. Why does Pakistan claim so? Why does Junagadh hold importance for Pakistan? Let's find out. And hey there, my fellow Indians. Welcome to News Hamster. Welcome to News Hamster's vlog number 8. Here we shall discuss the importance of Junagadh for Pakistan. So, as you know, this political map also includes the Fatah region of Pakistan. Well, that's a different story altogether. And of course, the Sir Creek region near Gujarat, and which Pakistan claims it is being settled, but then that's their own presumption or assumption, I can say. And of course, their claim over Kashmir region does exist. But now, what came into the limelight and what people wanted to know about is why Junagadh is becoming important for Pakistan all of a sudden, and why, apart from Sir Creek and this Kashmir region, Junagadh has also been placed in the region of in the map of Pakistan. So what we have to know here is a little bit about history, and the whole answer lies in that. So Junagadh is obviously a district or a region in the Gujarat state, and as you know, Junagadh was one of the princely states that was in India during the time of independence. And as we also know that while the time of independence, the British gave us a chance, gave Indians, the Indian princely states, a chance whether to remain independent or to join Pakistan or to remain in India. Like Kashmir chose to remain independent and several things like that happened, Junagadh was ruled by a king or a ruler by name Muhammad Mahabat Khan. So this ruler was a Muslim, and the population of Junagadh consisted 80% of Hindus. Now, initially, when this offer was provided to the ruler, he said, I will settle down in India, I will accede to India, not remain independent or not go to Pakistan. And as time progressed, his divan or the minister that he had in his cabinet, we can say, he fell sick and he went out of the nation for his treatment. And in place of this divan, Shahnawaz Khan Bhutto was appointed as the minister or divan. So if you remember the surname Bhutto, it is also the surname of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, one of the former presidents or the leaders of Pakistan, and of course Benazir Bhutto. Shahnawaz Khan or Shahnawaz Khan Bhutto happens to be the grandfather of Benazir Bhutto and father of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Now, as time progressed and India received independence, the king of Junagadh changed his stance and he said, I shall join Pakistan and not stay in India. So this clearly mooted, or this clearly showed the intentions of the Nawab of Junagadh. And as this things was placed, Prime Minister Nehru and of course Patel and VP Menon and all those people did not accept his proposal, but then he wrote to Jinnah, and Jinnah very firmly accepted his proposal and said, yes, Junagadh can be a part of Pakistan. But Indians and the the ministerial setup in New Delhi disagreed for it, and they said this is not possible and we cannot let this happen. So as a result, they placed their boats across the Gujarat coast, because when asked about how this king will connect to Pakistan, though he has no contagious borders with Pakistan or no any kind of attachment with Pakistan, how will he go and reach to Pakistan? He said, I will go through the seas. So because of this reason, India placed its ships and made sure he does not leave the country. And also a government was formed in the Bombay Legislative Council, erstwhile Bombay, that was called Bombay, or you can say Mumbai, that time it was Bombay. So they formed a government, and this very well proved the fact that this man, Muhammad Mahabat Khan, cannot be a part of Pakistan. And as time progressed, and this was the scenario, Muhammad Mahabat Khan chose to escape India, and he took a plane, he took all his family, all his belongings, all his money, and he left to Pakistan. Now this was quite shocking, because the man who instigated him, Shahnawaz Khan Bhutto, was left here in India and he left to Pakistan. And even today, Muhammad Mahabat Khan's family is living in Pakistan. So when Mr. Bhutto was asked what you're going to do, he said, I have no choice now, and then India has to form a government. And as a result, India claimed very strongly that Junagadh is our region and there is no place that this can be acceded to Pakistan. There is no way we are giving away Junagadh to Pakistan. And the man who heralded this cause of Junagadh joining Pakistan has left. So as a result, Mr. Bhutto also left. Sardar Patel Nehruji went there. They claimed that it's the Indian region. They also held a referendum where most of the population, being Hindu, voted, or most of the population consisting of both people, voted to stay in India, and very less percentage, more less than 10% of people voted to accede to Pakistan, and as a result, Junagadh remained an important part of India. And Patel made a statement that this is a very stupid kind of a conspiracy that Pakistan tried to play, that Mr. Jinnah tried to play, but it's not going to work out here for them. And Junagadh since then has remained a part of India. No person from Junagadh has spoken about it. No person from Junagadh claims these things. But just because the king, Mr. Muhammad Mahabad Khan, had an intention to join Pakistan, Pakistan very strongly claims that Junagadh is their region. That's very stupid of them, and that is why even today this claim has been put forward that Junagadh belongs to Pakistan, and we clearly know that it's nowhere belonging to Pakistan. Not even there is a territorial dispute. There's nothing as such. There's nothing like the Sir Creek region. There's nothing like the Kashmir problem. It's out there. It's clear. It's our region, and there is no way Junagadh is belonging to Pakistan. So this is what is the story why Pakistan claims Junagadh, and it's outright. It's pretty clear. It's crystal clear. Is Junagadh is the Indian territory. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Spread the information. Let everyone know that Junagadh is not going to be another Kashmir or Sir Creek. And until next time, Jai Hind.